Hello my dear students, welcome to your GK class. Today we will study chapter 4 Matchless Animals. But before it, I had given you some work. So I had given you to learn and write chapter 3 Friends with Feather. So question number first is, which is the national bird of India? Yes, we know peacock is the national bird of India. Question number second, write the name of a large scavenger bird. So, vulture is the large scavenger bird. Question number 3, write the name of a flightless bird of the Antarctic region that has a waddling walk. So, this is penguin. This is penguin. Question number 4. Name the bird that lays eggs in the nest of other bird. So, what is the name of this bird? This is cuckoo. This is cuckoo. And cuckoo lays egg in the nest of crow. Okay? Question number 5. By what name New Zealanders are known? This name comes from bird's name. So, what is the name of this bird? This is kiwi. Okay? Question number 6. Write the name of the largest flightless bird. So, this is ostrich. Question number 7. Which bird is a symbol of peace? So, dove is symbol of peace. Question number 8. Which bird is used as message carrier? So, this is pigeon. We have seen in many movies that pigeon is used as message carrier. So, question number 9. Write the name of bird known as the vehicle of Goddess Saraswati. So, this is swan. Question number 10. Write the name of a bird that hunts at night and has good eyesight. So, owl is a bird that hunts at night and has good eyesight. Okay? Now, we will start our today's chapter. So, today's chapter number 4, Matchless Animal. In this chapter, identify the animals, match their names and descriptions as shown. So, now, question number first. Which is the heaviest insect on the land? Can you tell me which is the heaviest insect on the land? Okay, I am telling you. You can see this. You can see this. This is giant vita. This is giant vita. It looks like grasshopper, and giant vita is the heaviest insect on the land. Okay. Question number 2. Which is the biggest carnivore on land? Which is the biggest carnivore on land? So, we can see here, this is polar bear. Polar bear is the biggest carnivore and on land. As we have studied in chapter 2, polar bear can swim as well as run fast. And where it is found? It is found in the Arctic region. Okay? So, now question number 3. Which is the largest shark? Which is the largest shark? So, whale shark is the largest shark. Whale shark is the largest shark. Question number 4. Which is the smallest monkey? Which is the smallest monkey? in this picture you can see this animal is looking like monkey. This animal is looking like monkey. Do you know the name of this animal? This is pygmy momo shed. This is pygmy momo shed, and it is the smallest monkey. So, question number 5. Which is the fastest bird? Which is the fastest bird? So, peregrine falcon. Peregrine falcon is the fastest bird. Peregrine falcon is a very powerful and fast flying bird. Okay. Question number 6. Which is the smallest bird? We know bee hummingbird is the smallest bird. Okay. Question number 7. Which is the largest cat? Which is the largest cat? So, this is Siberian tiger is the largest cat. Now, you can say this is tiger. No, this is not a cat. This is tiger. But tiger is family of cat. Tiger is family of cat. That's why the largest tiger is largest cat is Siberian tiger. Okay. Next question. Which is the largest lizard? Which is the largest lizard? So, Komodo dragon is the largest lizard. Komodo dragon is the largest lizard. Okay. And last question is, which is the heaviest flying bird? Which is the heaviest flying bird? So, this is Cory bustard. It is heaviest flying bird with long neck. Okay. And now here, do you know? Do you know sharks have outstanding hearing? They can hear a fish thrashing in the water from as far as 500 meters away. क्या आप जानते हैं कि शार्क के सुनने की क्षमता बहुत ही तीव्र होती है? मीन्स शार्क वाटर में अगर कोई फिश वगैरह है तो वो 500 मीटर दूर से ही वो फिश की आहट को जान लेती है. ओके, सो शार्क हैव आउटस्टैंडिंग हियरिंग. ओके, सो नाउ दिस इज योर होमवर्क. यू हैव टू learn and write about these animals, like which is the heaviest insect on the land, which is the biggest carnivore on land, like this. You have to learn and write. Okay.